So I am growing 3 types of Callaloo or Amaranth. This is the green one. This is the red Callaloo. And this is the pink stem Callaloo.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.
And I got this from Blessings from the Garden, Latoya and Saroya. Guys, you can check them out. Beautiful twin sisters. So, you know that Callaloo is rich in iron. It is actually a superfood, right? Now, I know a lot of persons is going to ask me about the color changing when prepared. So, if you stay tuned for that, we'll see that together instead of me telling you. Alright, so based on research, it is said that the red Callaloo or the red Amaranth, it is more nutritious than the green one, as in it has a lot more benefits than the green one. As for the pink one, I don't know, but you know that our superfoods, the different colors that we intake in our diet or in our meals, they are highly beneficial to us, right? So we're going to harvest. I think I'm only going to get this one because I need to experiment. Like with our green Callaloo, I just want to take off most of the top, right? And leave the bottom and see if they will grow back. I've tried it some months ago. They didn't grow back. I was in a smaller space. However, maybe they weren't getting enough sunlight. So I am going to try again. I'm going to take off 2 stems, one from here, one from here, and we'll see together if they will actually spring up back and grow back. All right. And I'm going to experiment again with my red Callaloo because kinda here these pestilence. You see why we have to soak them in salt water to get rid of them. I'm going to get rid of it. Can't use my one hand right now because I don't want to touch it. Alright, so I'm going to experiment again with my red Callaloo like I mentioned. If I can come again. I tried it before, but I wasn't successful with them. They didn't grow back. So I am just going to take the stem as with my green Callaloo and see. Now my green Callaloo, these babies, they come up back like a flash. This is a cow tongue Callaloo. You see how huge the tongues are? The leaves, yeah, nice. Now I have a lot more growing in the garden. Now these ones right here going to seed. I'm going to get them. I'm going to get the tops. They don't look so green and pretty. I don't even know why. But anywho, I did what I needed to do. So they need now to do their part. So I have some more right here. These ones getting so tall. They wanted to be harvested from when? Ooh, look at this stalk. Huge, man. I did it. Look at this one too. Now go on with yourself, man. Now go on with yourself. Yeah. Banana coming through. Alright, so let's get into harvesting. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you one and all, my new gardening family. Welcome. I appreciate you coming on board, my faithful lads. Big up every time. And my channel members, big up to you every time as well. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. Now these are some over here that I recently planted and they blew my mind because they grew so quickly. So this is basically what I do. I cut the stem and I leave the main stem to continue to grow. Now lot of stink bugs usually in the callaloo. So I'm getting all the stems. Well, not all of them. Like this one that don't look so. I'll leave it that. These are not just for me. I will be sharing. They're so nice and tender. And the stems are so huge. Two bungles of callaloo this, you know? So now, like I said earlier, I'm going to try again to see if I can cut and come again. So I'm going to take it, this one from about here. Yeah, about there. This one too. Because everybody that I'm going to give, I want to give them a stalk of the red one inside. I'm not sure they're going to get the pink one. I thought, no, they're not going to get the pink one. But I'm going to give them a stalk of the red one. So let's see if these babies will grow back from here. Well, spring out more from here, like the green one. Alright, they look so pretty. Like I don't want to cut them. We gotta do what we gotta do. I remember growing up in the country, you know, like Callaloo was a Sunday meal. And when I say a something inside here, so watch it. When I say it's a Sunday meal, I mean it was a Sunday meal. Can't stress it anymore. I mean, every Sunday we got Callaloo. Whether with saltfish, without saltfish, mixed with pak choy, something. But Callaloo is in the meal. I tell you, and we had to look out for the Callaloo man on the Saturday evening. Make our parents didn't have any Callaloo on the farm. Tell us to look out for the Callaloo man. And we ever met the Callaloo man come. And we don't buy any. I believe you'll be. You see, if it rains on the Saturday evening and the Callaloo man don't come, don't bother rejoice. Best believe the Callaloo man going to come early Sunday morning. Early. So your parents still have time to prepare the Callaloo. Red Callaloo wasn't common at all. Right? It seems in my adult years. And the first time I saw it, I was absolutely fascinated. I know a lot of you want to get some red Callaloo. I am going to start to save my seeds for you. So I am going to let a few plants go to seed just so you can get them. They are not so common here in Jamaica. I tried to get some to some of you, but what I could get my hands on, some of you will be picking up from me. I am sorry for the others who will now ask to get. I am out, but as soon as I get my hands on some, I will try my best to say, alright, persons within the nearby area, you can get. But for now, I'm out. But definitely going to save some seeds for you. Alright, so alright, so I am just, these ones are they're huge. Look at this stalk. Look. And I cut them just about the seam, as in where from the plant, from the soil to where the plant is. Yeah. And this one even higher too. Yeah. I need that one. So I'm going to leave it. Well, no. I only want to save the seeds for the cocoa. The regular ones, I'm not going to save that one. So I'm going to get this. So I'm just going to cut off the seeds up there and use it. Oh, I wanted to get the others, you know. I'll probably harvest those without you. How much should I get them? I'll just do one share. Just going to get them. My little aunt can't hardly hold this. Look at that. Straight. I'm pressure. My little arm is just under pressure, you know. I kid you not. Under pressure. 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 Oh. Heavy. Of course. These babies are full of stink bugs. So before going to the house, I'm going to properly shake them off. Yeah. I'm going to get the pink ones, but I'm not working with these. I'll soon come back for these, as the pressure is real on the ants. So fingers crossed, these babies will grow back. So see there, these ones right here, I'm leaving them. So let's see if these will get bigger. Well, I noticed that these are not going to get huge and lush like the others. Something in them, I realized that much the last time I grew them. Alright, so I am going to let maybe 2 or 3 of them go to seeds. So I'll have those seeds for you, because I am out of these. I have no more. Only what you're seeing right here I have. So definitely have to let them go to seeds. Let a few of them go to seeds in order for me to have to share and even to have for myself. So let's see if these will continue to grow. So cute. And yes, I stripped the pink one and the red one just the same as I stripped the green one. Alright, so these are just regular condiments that I usually add to the pot. No carrot, sweet pepper, bell pepper, tomato, onion. I didn't add any garlic, but I usually do. Alright, so callaloo, I'm just going to put them in, then combine everything. I'm not doing a cooking video per se. I just want to show you in the pot if the colors actually, well, they do change, but I want you to see how much they change. Alright, so that is the reason for doing this right now. I have several videos on this. Alright, so just combining everything together. Alright, so I'm basically just going to add some seasoning. When it is done cook, I'll show you. So there it is, guys, all cooked and ready. So you can see that they do change, but not completely. So this is my little meal, guys. Who wants some? Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.